There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his wattle start to wobble when the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a guinea fowl who hisses, then there's Ida, she's my missus, so forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our dockyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Here where waterfowl have waddled, little chicks get molly-coddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk